celebrities are an inspiration to almost every youngster and nowadays even kids. Leading a celebrity's life is sure glamorous, lavish and fun, but with these pleasures tag along the responsibilities that our celebs sometimes neglect. We cannot blame them, they are human too. However, when celebrities cannot speak something worth a thought, then it's better they keep their mouths shut and unwanted, foolish, airy thoughts to themselves, since those quotes are a consequence of being thoughtless enough to not care about their own image. We bring to you top 5 sleazy, ew-inspiring quotes by our famous B-Town celebs. Sleazy and ew reminds us of the bold and not so beautiful dim-witted chick of Bollywood, Sherlyn Chopra. This celeb, who is famous for her audacious photographs, is definitely a pet of controversy and has managed to be a renowned name by her attention-seeking dare-bear acts and controversial remarks. Almost all her quotes are sleazy, but we pick the low-priced of them all. Sherlyn says, "If not an actress, I would have been a famous porn star." Well, if that is not enough for you people, there is another one coming from the same personality. Yes, Sherlyn has done it again. This time we must say it is more of an honest confession about her fear of aging. She says, "If human sperms are indeed better than any anti-wrinkle and anti-aging creams or even better than Botox, I shall use them. Maybe not now, but surely after I cross 40. You all know how talented this sex siren of Bollywood, Mugdha Godse, is. But making to this list of celebs' shady quotes, she has proved that like her minimal clothes, her brain too has experienced a similar cutdown. Mugdha Godse on sex symbol tag. Wearing minimal clothes or stripping is generally associated with the sex symbol tag. I take it as a compliment. Badshah of Bollywood Shah Rukh Khan, known for his tongue-in-cheek witty comments in all his interviews and conversations with the media, has left us embarrassed, though he did not seem to as small as squirm. Though he is most of the times quite politically correct and try not to upset a lot of people in question, this smart and witty lad had his oops moment when he blurted out the following line. He says, "I always wanted to be a porn star. I'm going to work with all the positivity and clarity to be a porn star. I promise you guys, I will be the biggest porn star." Well, our serial kisser of Bollywood, Emraan Hashmi, who has rarely been to comment on his on-screen kissing spree, managed to just randomly blurt out something that left us all confused and thinking what he was actually trying to convey. Emraan Hashmi on kissing. You don't have to kiss someone to know if you are a good kisser. You have to feel it while watching a kiss. So, which of these made you squirm on your seats? This is Yakuta Haji for Rajshri.com.